So I'm getting a code P0011 and P0012 on my Toyota Prius. So the prime suspect is this one. It has gotten into a point where I cannot even clear the code. The moment you cleared it, it just like instantly go back to chicken and light. You cannot clear the code anymore. So I think the solenoid is actually bad. Down there, this one, I cannot see it. Yeah, this one, there's like a hex nut in there. Actually a bolt. That's the filter. Usually it's clean, but this one basically fails over time. So I'm going to replace it and see if the code goes away. It makes the engine actually like run really bad. So yeah, I think this connector is bad. Okay, but one 10mm bolt over here. So loosening the bolt. So I got it pulled out. Yeah, I think this is bad. Probably. So the only way to check it is to apply 12 volts in this one and see if it clicks. But sometimes it's not a really good indicator if it clicks. Sometimes it's not. It clicks probably, but probably the inside of the solenoid is worn out, so it's leaking oil. So here's my replacement. Got it in black auto. I think it's Rostra. So Rostra is actually a pretty good brand. Benson part is very expensive. Rostra is actually being used in transmission valve bodies, transmission cylinders. So I expect probably the same quality. So I'm gonna coat this with oil and put it back. Just put it back there. Reuse the same 10mm bolt to secure it. So pretty much they look the same. Need to got it installed. Time to put this in, secure it. Okay, now everything is buttoned up. So I'm gonna reset it, reset the code. Bolts. Time to start the car. Should have the check engine light on. Yep. Check engine light is on. Gonna do an auto scan. Toyota or America. Smart key. Automatic scan. So there are 4 failures. Oh, there were 3 last time. DC report. So there's a misfire going on. Yeah, that's a new one that's pending. So that's probably not a good news. So we're gonna clear all the DTCs. Okay. Oh. Check engine light is off. still current in here. That's weird. Again. Okay, no DTZ. I was able to clear it. Yeah, last time I wasn't able to clear it. It will just go back, so it means that solenoid is pretty much dead. Yep. So it has 425,944. Okay. So we'll drive it around.